kabla solo kamilishe mama. Tafadhali Mola mwambie, milele anichunge mimi nisijezama, mashetani asinivamie, chuki wivu tunakutesa, linda kwako siwasikie, kwa nini hatuwezi sote kupenda? Wewe wenzangu ache niwaambie, labda si sote wenda wazimu, labda laana yetu pesa, kesho kipoteza kila kitu, dunia mzima itakucheka. Wanamatiliwecha yangu sumu, baki hao ndio kusema, kesho wampigie demo wangu sumu, asao vile alivyonipenda. Ona mahayawani, ay 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 ay, ona hawa si watu hawa, ay 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 ay, binadamu kageuka mnyama. Hayawani, 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 hayawani. Hey, what's up guys, it's Tobe. So today I'm gonna show you how to play Hayawani. This one is a very simple song. 1-4-5 is the progression. So guys, if you're a beginner, this one you should be able to play it right after you're done with this tutorial. Guys, remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel, and also if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So guys, with that aside, let's zoom in right after this. Hayawani is in the key of F, I believe so. I'm not very sure, but I'm gonna show you, or rather I'm gonna teach you in the key of F. So the progression is 1 4 1 5, and it's that simple. From start to end, you'll use those chords. So the 1, of course, is the F chord. The 4 is A sharp major chord. The 1 is F again, and the C, and the 5 is C. So the F chord on my left hand, I am playing note F with my small finger, ring finger, note A with my middle finger, and note C with my thumb. Right, note F with my thumb, A with my middle finger, and C with my small finger, ring finger. Then the 4 chord follows. So the 4 chord is A sharp, which is second inversion of the A sharp chord. So well, normally I'll play F sharp there. So if I invert it, second inversion, that's how you'll hold it. So with my on my left hand, note F with my small finger, ring finger, note A sharp with my middle finger, and note D with my thumb. So that's my right hand, note F with my thumb, A sharp with my middle finger, and note D with my small finger, ring finger. And now so it's that A sharp, F again, and then the C chord. So this C chord is the first inversion of the C chord. So normally I'll hold C chord here. So C chord, then first inversion of the C chord. So the notes that I'm playing are E with my small finger, G with my middle finger, and C with my thumb. On my right hand, E with my thumb, G with my pointer finger, and C with my small finger. So actually those are the chords that comprise the progression of this song. So maybe on the timing you can just play it as that rhythm would be okay to play the song. Kabla solo kamilishe mama, tafadhali Mola mwambie, milele anichunge mimi nisijezama, mashetani asinivamie, chuki wivu tunakutesa, linda kwako siwasikie, kwa nini hatuwezi sote kupenda? Oh, you can 1 2 1 2 1 2 So that's how you'd play Hayawani on the keys. Guys, I'll end there. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also give this video a thumbs up so that it can rank well on YouTube. Plus, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, you can let me know in the comment area. So with that, guys, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.